All right, let's talk about the best free productivity apps for 2026. We're going to dive in and find the real gems. The ones that can actually change how you work and study, instead of just becoming more digital clutter on your phone. Sound good? Let's do it. Okay, let me ask you something. Does this sound familiar? You're busy all day. I mean, all day long. You're bouncing between emails, messages, tasks, but then the day ends, you look at the clock, and you get that sinking feeling. What did I actually get done today? We've all been there, right? It's this crazy cycle. You check your phone for just a second, then you're jumping between 10 different apps, and poof, your focus is just gone. And the worst part is you feel totally drained at the end of the day, but not like you've moved the needle on anything important. So, how do we break that cycle? Well, the first step is getting a handle on all that digital chaos. And to do that, we need to bring in what I like to call our digital organizers. Okay, you've probably heard of some of these big names. You've got Todoist, which is super clean and simple for just managing tasks. Trello is awesome if you're a visual person with its whole card system. But the one I want to zoom in on is Notion. Why? Because it tries to be your all-in-one digital brain. And that's a really powerful idea. Yeah, this concept of a digital brain is fantastic. It's not just another note-taking app. It's about having one single place where everything lives. Your notes, your plans, your goals, the whole shebang. So if you're sick of having stuff scattered across a dozen different apps and just want one place to rule them all, Notion is absolutely something you should check out. Okay, so getting organized is step one. Huge step. But what about actually doing the work? Faster and smarter? Well, that's where our next category comes in. Your creative assistants. And look, we have to talk about AI. Tools like ChatGPT are, no exaggeration, a total game changer. Seriously, think of it like a partner you can brainstorm with. It can write notes for you, summarize a super long article. It basically cuts down on so much of the grunt work. It's not just a tool, it's like having an assistant on standby 24/7. All right, so we've got organizers, we've got AI assistants, some amazing apps for sure. But here comes the plot twist. And honestly, if you take one thing away from this whole thing, let it be this. The real secret to productivity is that less is more. It's so easy to fall into this trap, right? There are so many cool free apps out there. And this is the number one mistake I see people make, and it completely torpedoes their efforts. They just use too many apps. So I'm going to ask you right now, how many apps do you think is the right number? 5? Maybe 8? 10? Just take a quick mental inventory of what you're using. I bet the real answer is going to surprise you. The magic number, 2 to 3. That's it. And this is so, so important. Real productivity isn't about hoarding apps. It's about picking a couple of really good ones and getting amazing at using them. Because focus is always, always more valuable than having a million features you never touch. And the strategy to get there is beautifully simple. Step 1, pick your 2 or 3 essential apps, the ones that cover the big stuff. Step 2, use them every day. Make it a habit. And step 3, just be consistent. That's it. That is the formula. Okay, so if you can only pick a few, what should they be? Where do you even start? Don't worry, I've got you. Let's put together the ultimate starter stack, a perfect combo to get you up and running. Here it is. Your perfect productivity trio. You've got Notion to act as your main hub, your command center for organization. Then you have ChatGPT as your brainstorming partner, your go-to for help and ideas. And finally, you have Forest, which is all about deep, focused work. See how they work together? Organization, creation, and focus. It covers all the bases. Okay, we have to talk about Forest for a second, because it is genius. It basically turns focus into a game. You set a timer, and a little virtual tree starts growing on your screen. But, and here's the kicker, if you get distracted and leave the app to check something else, your tree dies. It sounds simple, but trust me, it is a shockingly powerful way to keep your hands off your phone. So we've talked about some amazing tools, but as we start to wrap this up, I want to bring it all back to the single most important point. The real difference maker. It's not the app. I love this idea right here. These apps are just tools. You are the one who makes the difference. That really says it all, doesn't it? They're just instruments in your hands. Powerful? Sure, but they don't do anything on their own. You're the one in control. And please, don't ever forget this. Productivity isn't about being busy. It's not about doing more stuff. It's about doing the right stuff consistently.
So that's what I want to leave you with. You got the strategy, you got the tools, and most importantly, you have the right mindset. You can absolutely reclaim your time and your focus. So the only real question is, what are you going to build with it?